Yes. Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Taking note of the fact that you have extended the appeals time in the fishing rights allocation process until the 28th of April, and the fact that you have redeployed the delegated authority, Mr. Desmond Stevens, and his sidekick, Mr. Dennis Fredericks, as a result of their incompetence, these facts, the pending court case, and your assertion that you did not realize that the allocation process had such a destructive effect on established fishing communities like Kalk Bay, to name but one. Is it your intention to try and fix this unfixable situation through the appeals process, or would you consider redoing this corrupted and irrational allocation process from scratch? If not, you will become known as a snolly goster.
Honourable Minister.
Thank you very much, Honourable Deputy Speaker. I take exception to the name calling by the Honourable Member. The Honourable Member also called me after a meeting, a portfolio meeting. He called me a bitch. So I take exception to the name calling, and that is the answer I have.
Madam Deputy Speaker, the first assertion by the Minister is correct, and I will await your ruling on it. But the second assertion by the Minister is misleading, and I would ask you to ask her to withdraw that. The member did not call her the B word.
Honourable Van Dalen.
Deputy Speaker?
Do you want to withdraw the name calling that you did just now?
Deputy Speaker, if you look into the dictionary...
No.
I'm not calling anybody a name. I'm saying that the
Honourable, that's just what I want to know. Are you withdrawing that name calling?
That last part, the snolly goster, I will withdraw.
Thank you. Continue, Honourable Minister.
Honourable Deputy Speaker, as usual, the Honourable Member Van Dalen is completely misleading the public, and I have very little answers for him because there's no truth in what he has
Madam
asked.
Deputy Speaker, my second point on the point of order was not addressed, and I would like the Minister to withdraw her assertions or allegation.
Honourable Member, when I heard the Minister saying, not here, at a portfolio committee, the Honourable Member called her a bitch. As I'm sitting here, I have no way of verifying that. So I can't say she must withdraw. It's something we need to look at. Whether it's true or not true, you know that. I don't know that as I'm sitting here. So I'm unable to say to her, she must withdraw. It's the facts that must be found. Then at the next meeting, you'll tell her to withdraw if that is the case. Please.
Madam Speaker, may I address you still further on this point of order? Using offensive language, Rule 63 is unparliamentary. So while I accept that you need to look at the records and determine whether or not the member said it, the use of offensive language in the Parliament is unparliamentary. So I ask you to ask the Minister to withdraw that.
No. Can you continue, Honourable Minister? Please.
Madam Deputy Speaker, are you going to give a ruling on Rule 63?
No, not now. Not now. I'm not going to give it now. Please. I'm not going to give the ruling now.
Deputy Speaker, can somebody enlighten us on what that snolly-golly is?
Honourable Minister, can you continue answering the question?
Thank you very much, Madam Deputy Speaker. Mr. Desmond Stevens has not been demoted. He has taken leave. He has been a director in the past. He is only an acting DDG. if he goes back to his position as director, he's not being demoted. As far as I know, Mr. Dennis Fredericks is on sick leave, and I have no idea of what the honorable member is speaking about. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. Honorable Zikalala.